Today we're in West Yorkshire and I'm visiting one of my closest uni friends, Mel. I'm with my mum because mum knows Mel and her mum as well. We had a really nice night yesterday and today we are going to the Peace Hall in Halifax. I went to Huddersfield Uni but I never visited Halifax, so it'll be really interesting to explore, and they've got the Christmas markets. We woke up this morning quite late because we had a late night. We went to breakfast at about, what time did we go to breakfast? 9:15. Here's a little montage of us having breakfast. We're staying at the Premier Inn in Huddersfield North. It's a very nice hotel and we had a really nice full English breakfast. So we just got the twin room, but they've given us a double bed and a single bed. So you've got a little chair here, coffee making and makeup station. And then a little nook here. I slept in the single bed. We agreed. I let mum have the double bed, but she said that we can swap tonight, so I can have the double tonight and she'll have the single. I'm not really that bothered. It was quite comfy, to be honest. We always find Premier Inn mattresses really comfy, don't we? Before we go to Halifax, Mel is picking us up and we're going on a dog walk. It's so nice, like up north in England is so different to down south. It feels more rural, more countryside. It's friendlier for sure. So we're here walking Ovi. This is Mel. This is my uni friend. So what is this area, Mel?
Slaithwaite.
Slaithwaite.
Other people pronounce it Slaitwaite.
Should we name him? Wilson?
Edward.
Not Wilson? Oh, Wilson. It is icy here in West Yorkshire. We're just on a lovely dog walk in Slaithwaite.
Like, you know when you two had your funny interactions in the lab? Like, stuff like that makes a good video.
Yeah, Mel watches my YouTube. She's a subscriber. Shout out to everyone subscribing.
#1 fan.
We're driving to Halifax now. Mel's driving us everywhere. You're literally our chauffeur for the weekend.
Yeah, I know, love it.
Amazing. Get yourself a friend like Melissa.
Xavier.
This is the Peace Hall in Halifax.
We're just exploring the shops. We're in the trading room in Halifax at the Peace Hall. I'm having a nice red wine. It's lovely. What is mum having?
Coke. I'm being good.
It's lovely. Yeah, these two aren't drinking. I mean, Mel's kindly drove us, but I'm definitely having a bit of a drink. And we're playing Uno. That looks amazing, Mel.
Yeah, it does.
The onion
So
rings
exciting.
and the bacon.
I like the plates.
I love the plates. This is our dessert. Mum ordered one and we were like, we don't want one. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then we were like, no, we'll have two of those,
Yeah, we'll
please.
have them.
We're back at Mel's and we're playing. How do you say charades or charades?
Charades.
Oh, well, I say charades.
Yeah, you're Londoners.
Well, apparently Northerners say charades.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's charades. It's the correct way of saying it.
Currently, I think I may be winning.
No,
Oh no,
I'm
you have.
winning.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I've got 6 too.
Oh, we're drawing, and
And I'm doing pretty
Mum's got 1. show everyone what you've had to do to read the text on the cards.
Just because I need the bloody torchlight.
Show it.
it.
And what have you got to do? That's how she's been reading the cards. And bless. Oberon is here sleeping.
Oberon, very
He's so
posh.
cute.